Welcome guys, this is Gadget Zone, and today we'll be reviewing the Braun Series ProSkin electric shaver. At a mid to low budget price of around £50 or $60, this shaver is an Amazon's Choice product and the #1 bestseller in men's electric foil shavers. Some of the key features of the shaver are the 3 independent shaving elements on the head that adapt and retract along with skin contours, the central microcomb that guides more hair towards the blades, and the ability to shave wet or dry with its 100% waterproofing. Taking a look inside the box, it comes with a manual containing any information that could possibly be needed about the shaver, a 2-pin charger plug measuring at 1.2 meters or 47 inches in length, a brush to clean the hairs from the shaver head, and finally the actual shaver. The charger slots right into the bottom of the shaver. It does come slightly charged, but not fully, so it may be beneficial to fully charge it before using it for the first time. A protective plastic case is included, which prevents the foil from getting damaged when not using the shaver. The pop-up precision trimmer is located on the back of the shaver and does only pop up when pushing from the indicative symbol. This is a cool feature as it prevents any unwanted shaving from happening from accidentally popping up the trimmer. 3 rubber prongs stick into the blades and vibrate to initiate the shaving. When the shaver is on, a green light will flash at the front in one of 3 bars indicating how much charge it has left. The bottom bar will flash red when the shaver is running out of charge, so following that should never result in running out of power mid-shave. The 3 foil covered blades retract independently of each other, allowing the shaver to glide over and adapt to contours, giving an even cut. The detachable head can be flipped, so it doesn't matter which way it has been put on, the shaver will still cut the same either way. With this shaver, you will not have to worry about getting any cuts from the trimmer. No matter how hard you press on it, nor in which direction, your skin will not get cut. To charge the shaver, insert the 2-pinned plug into a 230 or 115 volt socket and insert the other end into the shaver. The green light will flash whilst the shaver is charging, turning solid once partially charged and then flashing in the top bar until turning solid when it has fully charged. After a full 1 hour charge, the shaver will have a battery life of about 45 minutes. It's important to note that it cannot be powered on whilst plugged in, so it needs to be charged preemptively before you want to start shaving. So actually trying out the shaver now, I'm testing it out with a dry shave here, as dry gives a less thorough shave than shaving wet. Therefore, if the shaver gives a satisfactory result dry shaving, we know it will be just as good, if not better, wet shaving. And to confirm this thought, having used the shaver for about a month now, the wet shave does result with an even smoother finish. I started off with a once-over using the precision trimmer just to cut off any excess lengths of hair, so there will be less going through the blades in the head and therefore reducing the amount of work they have to do, so they should last longer before having to be replaced. Braun do recommend replacing the head every 18 months, however an indicator can be found on the front at the bottom that lights up when it actually needs replacing. Additionally, using the trimmer first eliminated the head from tugging on any hairs later into the shave. I then switched to using the head of the shaver to remove the rest of the hair. As you can see, I occasionally had to stretch my face into distorted positions to get right down to the skin, but compared to the shavers I've used in the past, much less stretching was required. The foil glided flush over the skin and not once did it get caught on the hairs. Before using the shaver, I manually shaved using a razor, which left the skin on my neck feeling irritated and sometimes spotty. Having used the Braun Series 3 shaver for a month now, I haven't experienced that at all, both with wet and dry shaves. After shaving for only 5 minutes with a combination of the trimmer followed by the head, the shaver left a very smooth, clean finish that I am very happy with. For the reasonably low price, in my opinion, you cannot go wrong with this shaver, from the finish to the ergonomics and the convenience of it being completely waterproof. So I definitely recommend it to anyone needing a new shaver. When it comes to cleaning, just tapping the head against the body will cause most of the cut hair to fall out after a dry shave. Cleaning the head and the body is very easy both with the brush and with water. The shaver is waterproof up to a depth of 5 meters, so it can be safely cleaned under a stream of water, in the shower, or in the bath. If you enjoyed this content, or you would like to see more, please consider subscribing below. Thank you for watching.